prayer. Om, Om, Om. Om Shri Ganesham Sarva Vigna Nivarakam Parabrahma Swarupam Sakala Siddhi Pradayakam Manasa Smarami Sirasa Namami Om Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Akanda Mandalakaram Vyaptayena Characharam तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः कश्यप अत्रि भरद्वाज विश्वामित्रस्य गौतमः जमदग्नि वसिष्ठा च सर्व ऋषिभ्यो नमः ओम जगच्चैतन्यं ब्रह्मांड व्याप्तं परब्रह्म रूपं आत्मा स्वरूपं सकल चराचर चेतनं सृष्टि स्थिति लय कारणं सर्वशक्ति प्रदं शरणं प्रपद्ये अंतर्ज्योतिर्बहिर्ज्योतिः प्रत्यक् ज्योतिः परात्परः ज्योतिर्ज्योतिः स्वयं ज्योतिः आत्म ज्योतिः परब्रह्म ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम तत्सत्. Now sit comfortably. Now we'll do the Shuddhikarana meditation. Okay, close your eyes. Keep your palms in Dhyana Mudra. Call upon your favorite God and Guru in their life form. Say in mind, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Shri Rishibhyo Namaha, Om Shri Reem Parabrahmane Namaha. Now visualize golden shining Brahmanadi from Mooladhara to Sahasrara Chakra. While inhaling, chant so from the Mooladhara to Sahasrara Chakra. While exhaling, chant hum from Mooladhara to Sahasrara Chakra. So Sahasrara to Mooladhara Chakra. Hum. Okay. Now you start. So hum. So hum. So hum. So hum. Now visualize one Yajna Kunda in your near the Mooladhara Chakra, right side of your Mooladhara Chakra. Okay. You call upon your Atma. Your Atma is coming from your physical body and standing behind the right side of you. Now we'll observe the Agni Kunda is Divyagni, the fire. Fire is coming from the Agni Kunda. Now we'll put all our egos and disease and all egos, aham and ajnanam. Okay, one by one I will tell you. You observe all these things and taking out from your body and put it on the Divyagni. It is a Divyagni fire. Fire is burning right side of you. Now start. Ajnanam jhomi swaha. Put all your ajnana into the fire, Divyagni. Jnanam jhomi swaha. Vairagyam jhomi swaha. Ragam jhomi swaha. ऐश्वर्यं झोमि स्वाहा अनैश्वर्यं झोमि स्वाहा अधर्मं झोमि स्वाहा धर्मं झोमि स्वाहा पापं झोमि स्वाहा पुण्यं झोमि स्वाहा कामं झोमि स्वाहा क्रोधं झोमि स्वाहा लोभं झोमि स्वाहा मोहं झोमि स्वाहा मदं झोमि स्वाहा मत्सर्यं झोमि स्वाहा. Observe all the desires of senses and negative qualities burnt out in the Divyagni Jwala. Observe all egos and Ajnanam, all Harishad Vargas are burning in the Divyagni Jwala. Observe for a few seconds. All diseases and egos are burnt out in the Divyagni Jwala. Now Divyagni Jwala is vanished. Now mentally say Prithvi Tattva Shuddhayatu. Chant Vam Bijakshara 7 times. Vam 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 Vam. Now mentally say Apas Tattva Shuddhayatu. Chant Vam 7 times. Vam 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 Vam. Now mentally say Agni Tattva Shuddhayatu. Chant Ram 7 times. Ram 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 Ram. Now mentally say Vayu Tattva Shuddhayatu. Chant Yam 7 times. Yam 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 Yam. Now mentally say Akasha Tattva Shuddhayatu. Chant Hum 7 times. Hum 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 Hum. Now mentally say Chidakasha Tattva Shuddhayatu. Chant Om 7 times. Om. 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 Now mentally say Mahakasha Tattva Shuddhayatu. Chant Om Shreem Reem. Start. Om Shreem Reem. 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 Observe your full physical body. It is in vibration mode. Now Jyotir Bindu looks like a golden star set in Brahma Bindu. Mentally chant the following Shuddhi mantras. Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samaname, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samaname, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samaname, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandhame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandhame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Gandhame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Prithvi, Apas, Tejo, Vayu, Akashame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Prithvi, Apas, Tejo, Vayu, Akashame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Prithvi, Apas, Tejo, Vayu, Akashame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Mano, Vak, Kaya, Karmani me, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Mano, Vak, Kaya, Karmani me, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Mano, Vak, Kaya, Karmani me, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya, Atmame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya, Atmame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya, Atmame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, Atmame, Shuddhayatam, Jyotiraham, अंतरात्म में शुद्धायतम ज्योतिरहम परमात्म में शुद्धायतम ज्योतिरहम ओम शांति शांति शांति. Now observe vibration in your physical body for a few seconds. Now we are free from all the negatives and diseases. Now observe the golden rays coming from the heaven. It is entering into your Sahasrara chakra. It is cleansing from the top to bottom. The golden rays enter to your body and cleansing the Sahasrara chakra and collecting all the negatives from your body and egos and all unwanted things from your body and mind. It is cleansing body and mind, and golden rays enter to your Ajna chakra and cleansing the Ajna chakra, collecting all unwanted things from the Ajna chakra, and golden rays enter to your Anahata chakra and cleansing the Anahata chakra. See the vibration in your body. The golden rays is from the Anahata chakra. It enters to the Manipura chakra, collecting all the negativities and unwanted and diseases, everything collected, and the golden rays enter to the Swadhisthana chakra and cleansing the Swadhisthana chakra. And finally, this golden rays enter to your Muladhara chakra, collected all the negatives and unwanted things from your mind and egos and angry, everything collected and bundled, and golden rays finally entered into the earth. Now we are free from all the negativity. Now we are very much happy. Now your body is flying. Observe, observe, observe. Now you are free from all the diseases. Your mind is very free. Now it comes to the end. Okay. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Rub your palms, keep on the face, slowly open the eyes and relax for a minute. Okay, right. For Corona people, I will tell you one mudra. One mudra, see, that is Surya Mudra. Surya Mudra, see, this is the Surya finger, sun finger. Okay, this is the Venus finger, thumb. Okay, what you have to do, press the first, press your ring finger and press from the thumb. Okay, like keeping like this, both the hands, like this. This will increase oxygen level in your body, and all diseases will go away from the body. This you can practice daily, minimum 30 minutes, 3 times. Okay, this is called Surya Mudra, Sun Mudra. And one more, the switch word is there. Switch word means that is 333. 333. What we have to do, you take blue color ink and write in the left side body 333. Actually, it is 333, but we should not chant like that. We have to chant 333, 333. Like that, every 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, we have to chant. Any diseases will cure. Left side body, you can write anywhere. Okay. Any questions?
थैंक यू सर. सर एक क्वेश्चन है, क्या ये जो आपने बताया है, क्या लेडीज अपने स्पेशल डेज में भी इसे कर सकती है?
Yes, madam.
I think you'll have to explain in English.
Sir, the ladies are asking, can they do in their special days the healing you had shared?
That is one thing. See, I am telling some mantras. In the special days, they should not. They have to avoid those days. Because some mantras is there. The mudra they can do and number they can write, no problem. And this bija mantra is there, no? Lam, vam, ram, yam, ham, om, soham is there, no? That bija mantra they can chant. That bija mantra anytime they can chant. There is no restriction for the bija mantra. But the mantra is there, no? Om, Shrim, Rim, that and all they have to avoid.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for having with us today. Thank you, Hanshika ji, for taking him with us together.
Thank you, Nipeksha ji. I just want to add one thing to sir what sir said. What basically today sir has done, this is called as Agni Ahuti, Atma Ahuti in the Agni. So when we do, the soul is burned in the Agni, all the negativities of the soul is burnt in that fire, in the divine fire. So that is how it will cleanse us. And then we bring that Atma back and state it back in our body. And then you feel that jerk. वो एक jerk सा आता है. ये मैंने सर के साथ किया है पहले मेडिटेशन के क्लासेस में. और वो जब वो आत्मा फिर से आके अपनी शरीर में जब वो मिलती है ना, तब हमें लगता है कि हमारा नया जन्म ही हुआ है. We feel like as if we have reborn with a new clean body, free of all negativities, free of all diseases, free of all tensions. So when he does this in a full 1 hour time, it is very, very effective. Very, very effective. This is a glimpse of what he has done because of the time restriction. But yeah, hope we can have him one more time. And thank you so much for calling me. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Over to you, Sumit, sir. So you are mute.
Thank you, Dr. Sir. It was a wonderful experience, and we are getting the feedback also from our attendees. Question has come. He is a good Nadi astrologer too. On some other platform, we are definitely call you, sir. We wish to call you to share your that knowledge as well. But this platform is only for the healing session, and we are grateful for your services you have rendered today. So the next healer we have with us is a very wonderful person. Her name is Miranda Mazumdar. She is a Reiki healer and have completed mastership in Usui Reiki. And her other modalities are like she has undertaken the professional training in Suzhou therapy, Silva method, and Krishnamurti from the Krishnamurti Institute of Astrology. So a very a warm welcome, Miranda ji, on this platform of the Occult Healers for conducting a healing session. Please, over to you.
Thank you so much, Sumit ji. I just want to thank you for creating this platform and to see that so many people have so much of faith to come together and pray in these difficult times. It gives me great joy to actually gather together with so many people who are still holding on to their faith. And indeed, in these times, who can help us more than our Creator, our Almighty, our beloved God? So before I begin this meditation, I just want to set the intention behind this meditation. As we have already experienced a very profound healing session right before this, it was very profound indeed. For me, it was like I could feel the energy traveling through my body. And after that session, I really don't want to get into too much of technicalities. I just want to still bathe in that light that we just experienced. And maybe I'll just take 10-15 minutes more to do an aura protection meditation. That's for all of us, and especially for people who are living in so much of fear, so much of anxiety. There's grief everywhere. I just want to say that we have to continuously put an effort to raise our vibration, to attract positivity into our lives. I mean, we are surrounded by so much of negative news everywhere that somewhere our light keeps dimming and our vibrations keep falling. And we tend to go again into that mode of anxiety. So end of the day, if we can always come together and pray and meditate, I think that will help us to maintain a higher level of vibration, which is so important right now. So I just want to take a few minutes to set the intention. The intention is to help us feel the presence of God in our lives right now. The intention is to feel that we are protected and safe, and that we are cared for, and we are not helpless, but we have all the help that we need right now, right here. So take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, just let go. Take another deep breath in, and then just let go. A third time, just take another deep breath in, and then just let go. Sit in a comfortable position. Does not matter whether you lie down or you sit on the floor or you sit on a chair, as long as you are comfortable, as long as you are rested, as long as your heart and mind is open to receive the healing and love from our source. So as we begin the meditation, envision in front of you an image of the source that you call upon as God. Could be anyone that you call upon as God, your Ishtadev, your Guru, or even just pure light. And join your hands and thank Him that we are blessed to be here, that we are blessed to receive this blessing, this light. And indeed, this light only offers us love, compassion, and healing. Just take a deep breath in. Put your hands on your lap in a resting position. And imagine a small point of light right on top of your head. Take a deep breath in and keep seeing this light in your mind's eye. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, see the point of light getting bigger. Keep breathing deeply. And as you breathe out, keep seeing this light becoming bigger and bigger. Take another breath in. And as you breathe out, see the light becoming big, resting on top of your head. It is a pure white light. As you breathe in, see the light now flowing down from both of your sides, as if you are surrounded in a pillar of white light. This is a light that is coming straight from the source, from your beloved God, from the central sun and the I Am presence. Let this light merge with your physical body. Feel the light flowing in gently into your forehead, then your throat, flowing down your shoulders, down to the tips of your fingers, flowing down your chest cavity, your abdomen, your thighs, right down to the soles of your feet. You are at one with this pillar of light. As you merge with this light, let thoughts arise. Don't resist. Whatever thoughts come into your mind, let it come. These could be the divine messages that you are receiving through this light. And if any thoughts of worry, anxiety, or fear come into your mind, let it come. As these thoughts will be taken away by the light, to be transformed and to be brought back as positive, healing light. As the light flows in and around your body, if you feel pain or any kind of sensation in any part of your body, do know that this is a blockage getting cleared, that you are being cleansed and healed right at this moment. This is an all-knowing light which knows its way around, which knows what you need at this point of time, which knows what is best for you at this point of time. So just surrender to the light and accept the healing. Be open to it. Keep breathing this light and know that all the cells in your body is vibrating in this frequency. That all that your body needs to generate at this point of time to heal you faster, to heal you better. The light knows what you need right now. Believe in it and surrender to it. As the light surrounds you, know that this light forms a protection, a shield of protective energy around you that will deflect all that does not belong to you, that will deflect all those energies that may come towards you to harm you, will be deflected back because of the power of the light that surrounds you. As you vibrate more and more in this light, know that you are in perfect health, that your body and mind is being restored to its template of perfect health. Now, raise both of your hands in a blessing gesture in front of you. We will release the excess light to our country. So imagine the map of India in front of your mind's eye, and let the rays of light flow from your hands into this map. Envision India growing brighter and brighter. Envision this light flowing to all those in need of it right now. That this light will end our suffering and bring us back to our normal lives again. You are blessing your country, and we are calling upon the light of the source to bless our country, to give our nation whatever it needs right now, the resources, the financial support, the emotional support, so that we can come out of this as soon as possible. Put your hands back onto your lap. Take a deep breath and bring your focus back onto the point above your head. That point of light. Bring a smile onto your face. And let us thank this light. Let us thank our God once again. Thank you for your grace, dear Almighty Lord. Thank you for giving us faith in your love, in your compassion, and in your healing. That we receive your light for our health, our happiness, our prosperity, and peace in our hearts and minds. Blessings and peace to all. Gently open your eyes. Shake your hands a little bit, shake your feet a little bit. Let the excess energy leave your body. And drink a glass of water. Thank you once again. Namaste.
Thank you, Miranda ji, for coming on our platform and making people realize this meditation process. Thank you. Thank you, God, for making us a channel to help people. Actually, not everyone be the part in this. Some of us we are doing what we are doing is helping people. Our motto is to help people. So thank you for joining with us in this helping platform, and thank you to all the attendees with us. Over to you, sir. So you are on mute.
Nipeksha, before we part ways, I want to share something which is generally being shared on the Facebook many times, 2-3 times at least. But people have again and again demanded. So since it's going live, I'm again sharing it. These are the certain codes which I have already shared with the people. These are the healing codes, divine healing codes for the corona. And these codes can be written and it can be saved later by all of you. Very effectively they are working because the corona starts from the throat, no nasals, then throat, then sore throat, throat chakra, optimize airway function. These are the codes to be written on your left arm by blue pen, and they are to be written every day till the time you recover. Those who are suffering can also write, and in a preventive mode also, except the fever code, all other codes can be written. So this is something I wanted to share with you. I'm repeatedly saying I'm sorry for that, but it is for the benefit of all of you.
Sir, no need of sorry on it, as it is a benefit of the people. So daily we are finding daily new people are joining with us. So whatever we are sharing, whatever going repeatedly is help people. So our what हम जो कर रहे हैं, जो लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है, अगर हम रोज शेयर भी करें तो लोगों को बेनिफिट होगा, क्योंकि हमें कंटिन्यूअसली मैसेज भी आते हैं कि
You're right.
सेशन में ये रेमेडी बताई थी, तो इससे आगे कैसे कंटिन्यू करना है।
Right, right.
देते हैं लोगों का। अभी मैं 5 मिनट पहले ही हंसिका जी ने जो लास्ट अपने सेशन में कुछ एस्ट्रोलॉजी रेमेडीज जो बताई थी फीवर के लिए, मैं उसी पर एक ऑडियो मैसेज डाल करके आ रही हूँ कि उसको ऐसे प्रोसीड करना। तो
Right.
इसलिए अगर हम शेयर भी करते हैं तो लोग को ज्यादा से ज्यादा तक पहुंच पाते हैं इस चीज पर।
That's wonderful. Dipeksha rightly said. So before parting with today, again in the name of God, एक छोटा सा वीडियो चलेगा, ओम का चैंटिंग है, and उसके बाद thank you very much मिरांडा जी, thank you very much Dr. Ramamurthy, Hanshika, Soumya, Dipeksha, and all the attendees, people watching it through Facebook also. Grateful to the God as well. And on this note and this particular chanting, now this you must share these remedies every day, Sumit ji, a little help to mankind. Sure, Hriday ji, we'll keep this in mind and keep sharing it. Thank you very much. Let us hear this last chanting and then we will close the session. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
All the speakers may come up for a minute here. Miranda ji, Dr. Ramamurthy, Soumya. Ramamurthy sir, can you just come
For
up?
our next session also, when we have a next session, announce that also.
So 9th of May it will be there the same time, our next session, and very special guest is coming on that day. So can we get the mail ID of Hanshika ma'am? It will be shared in the group. It will be shared in the group. Thank you very much. speakers. Soumya ji is also welcome. She was there. Yeah, she was already there. But we are grateful to each one of you who have joined this session. Thanks to God. Thanks Ramurthy ji. Thanks Miranda ji. All of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The
Thank you.
occult
you.
leaders.
Thanks to all the organizers of providing me this given this opportunity, and also special thanks to Hanshika madam. Thank you everybody. Thank you.
So we keep on inviting you.
Yeah, for that a long session of an hour, wala, we'll definitely, and to Miranda ji as well, because we know that she has other treasures also. Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you.
We're closing the session from the occult
Yes, sir.
healers. You're watching the healing session from occult healers on 7th of May 2021. We'll see you soon on 9th May at 8 p.m. Thank you very much.